into it with the royal family. We kissed under the mistletoe.
Remember when I said I was waking you early? Come on, baby. You gotta get dressed. Gotta get in the shower, okay? Look at me. Say it's Vlogmas Day 2. No, say it's Vlogmas.
He's sleeping.
He said Vlogmas Day 2. Say it excited. It's Vlogmas Day 2.
It's Vlogmas excited too.
He's funny even when he's sleeping.
Hi, little jailbird. You like you was in jail behind those bars. Good morning. It's Vlogmas Day 2, boo-boo. You gotta get in the bath. Yep, you gotta get in the bath. You ready, stinky butt?
Love you, stinky butt.
Aww.
Don't push your brother away. Don't do that, Legit. So, you guys, usually in the morning, what I do is I go run TJ's shower already. If they haven't taken a shower the night before, Legend, I'll have his bath water already ran. So it's time to get washed up, put on your clothes, and go to school. CJ goes to school, but he gets out early because he gets homeschooled at home. So he can learn in the kindergarten level. So I got Legend this potty.
Come on.
I literally just tried to put him on the potty for the second time, and right before I brought the potty to him, he peed on the floor. Ho ho ho.
You really need that bath.
You look like a little old man. Look at your little salt and pepper beard.
A Santa beard.
Go ahead, hit your morning dance.
All right.
Hey.
Go CJ. Go CJ. Go CJ.
You ready to go to school? And they have a dentist appointment today. You don't want to go? We gotta see when your teeth is gonna grow in. You don't want to go to school?
I'm only going to go to the business appointment.
A business appointment?
No, business.
We're gonna go after, okay? So the way their school works, you guys, parents are not allowed in the school, and they bring their kids to their classrooms.
Oh.
And yeah, that's how they stay very, I guess, safe for COVID, and they don't allow a certain amount of kids in the classroom. All right, y'all, so while Clarence is in there getting his haircut, I decided to come out and ride around this little plaza area and see if I can find me like some kind of store where they have ornaments. We were supposed to order ornaments from Amazon last night, but we didn't end up doing it. So I'm gonna look at one of these stores. And also, I want to say this: y'all was clowning me for not having on a mask, and I understand you're supposed to be safe.
I asked about your mask.
Explain, all right? I actually forgot my mask. I don't know how I forgot my mask. We were rushing out. I need you to just go buy like
a car
like
mask.
A box of masks.
Yeah.
Because I do have like a couple of masks with their fabric. And what happened? I don't know if it's just me, but like I began to break out all on my face. After I got my facial, he was like, I need to just wear new masks every day.
Yeah.
And I haven't gotten a box of masks yet. I don't know where to get it actually, so I'm gonna go try to search for those too.
Right.
But forgot the mask that was at my house.
Office masks where y'all
was like a disposable mask. So yeah, and I can't find that now either. I don't know where that is. So I have to go search for ornaments and a mask and some wrapping paper. And you guys can see why soon. So stay tuned for that.
It's day 2, you know what I'm saying? And yesterday I was looking crazy as hell. Looking like a beast.
We didn't notice.
We really didn't. Right.
To be one of the freshest dudes on social media, period. Oh, y'all wouldn't understand how long this man wait for a cut.
Yo, bro, but how long we been going back and forth trying to get each other? Bro, write him yo, and then he writes me yo like 2 hours later. And then he writes me back, and then I write him back 3 hours. I'm like, yo.
It's like 6. Y'all would think he get his cut like probably twice a week. Yo, it's probably twice a month. Like it's like 10 yos. And then we link.
Nah, I've been grinding though. I've been grinding, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you've been posting a lot.
Uploads, but I'm about to get right. And stay tuned. New intro.
I really didn't notice, Claire.
So stay tuned, you get a dig. But when y'all come back, I'm gonna be a whole different person. Guaranteed.
Okay, y'all really don't even understand how freaking happy I just got.
Happy.
Like, right around the corner was Hobby Lobby. Like, this is dope. Oh, I might go in there for more than ornaments, y'all. And as y'all can see, I have on all pink today. Pink first.
Ew.
Pink pink leggings. You feel me? Because
Wait, but where your mask at though
you know where I
now?
came from? I love Mean Girls. I was watching that movie on the plane on my way to Detroit. I love Mean Girls. I'll never get tired of your girl and gun.
There you go, girl.
Hook me up with a man. I feel complete now. Oh my God, this store has so much stuff and I'm so excited. Look at all that stuff, y'all. I'm telling you, when I get my pink room, when I get my woman cave in the new house, it's gonna be all pink. And y'all know I love orange, but it's just something about pink too. It's just so pretty and girly and all that stuff. So, girl, let me go find these ornaments because I will be up in the store getting other men. Oh my God, this
No, I do the same thing.
Love that. Definitely just found all the wrapping paper, y'all.
Shoot.
Go down. Ooh, this is cute. These are literally so cute, y'all. We should use them to make cookies.
Oh, that would be a video.
Make cookies with CJ. What y'all think? Christmas cookies?
Yes.
So y'all, I decided I'm gonna just Amazon while I'm in the store so I can get it by Saturday. This really sucks, y'all. I wanted my Christmas tree to be up tonight. I think I want to get this because the kids need their own little table, especially upstairs. And I'm trying to make it into like a, you know, little learning pad. But this is the cutest thing. They got a little coat hand. And girl, this is so cute. Man, I told y'all I was going to come in and do this. It's not my fault. Oh, damn. Look at that.
Wait,
hold on, wait. Stand back. Let me look at this. Let me look at the lineup.
Check me out.
Right here. Look at that. He's not a caveman no more. Ooh.
Check me out.
Look at that there. Ooh. We
You doing
like
a jail
blue
pose.
and pink.
Right.
Come on.
Yo, check me out.
Check us out. Dang. We look like cotton candy, me and you.
We do.
What, he blue raspberry?
Cotton candy kisses.
All right, yeah. So I'm just getting home, right? I checked my mail.
What happened?
2 packages, right? I'm expecting 2 packages today.
Yeah.
And it says both packages were delivered. Delivered at 12:40.
Your package is downstairs.
I click on it. It says front door. Left at front door. Now.
Oops. Nothing. Welcome.
Guys see anything at the front door?
Nope.
You know what I'm saying? Anything that maybe I couldn't have seen.
Nope.
And I honestly don't know what to do.
Call him.
So it's 2 pair of sneakers.
They gone. They under somebody's tree already.
Maybe comment what you guys would do. You know, if you guys went to your front door and your package wasn't there. Don't get me started on Ring. I go to my doorbell cam, right? And it should but around the time I needed it to. Like, it's just telling me that there was motion. Thanks, Ring. Thanks for letting me know there was motion at the door.
That's the sound of the swipe.
I just took a little nap, little 30-minute nap. My DoorDash delivery man is lost, so he just called me. So I went outside to try to help him find the place. And I looked to my right, and there's 2 packages.
All right there.
Steps on my neighbor's step, and they got the Ring camera too. So now I probably look like I'm stealing their packages.
Yeah, we are at Legend appointment. I didn't bring the camera because the SD card is being used. They covered the games that they used to play at. Are you excited?
Yes.
And they're gonna brush your teeth, Legend.
I hope Legend don't do that thing.
He's gonna probably push them away. I'm probably not even gonna be able to record because I'm too busy holding him down. We're gonna put up the tree soon because Mommy found the ornaments.
Mommy, what's the ornament?
You know the little balls that be on the tree?
Alright, man. So this is my camera.
They're gonna look at your teeth.
It's really big, like an alligator. Real big.
You gotta bite it.
Or a lion.
You gotta bite it, baby, and then they take the picture, then you take it out your mouth, okay? I'm right, look here, CJ, look. I'm right here. Hey, look, I'm gonna be right here.
No! Don't, baby.
You don't have to be scared.
It's
Just bite it.
it won't hurt.
You want me to bite it next? He been through bad dentist stuff before, so I gotta. Okay.
All you gotta do is open real big.
Say cheese. You're so handsome. You're doing a good job. You did a super job. I'm really proud of you. Your next lady.
Oh, he crying because he
We just
next.
got from the dentist, and I could record a little bit of CJ, but I could not record Legend because I had to hold him down. I'm gonna go home, and we're probably vlog out, I'm gonna end it out with Clarence together because I want to kiss him under the mistletoe. We never kissed under the mistletoe. Alright, y'all. So I told y'all in the car that I wanted to kiss Clarence under the mistletoe.
Right.
And I tried to go find a mistletoe and I couldn't find one. So I decided
Oh, you did a good
and
job.
paste it on the wall. Because I am an artist.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm gonna paste it on the wall and I'm gonna have Clarence come kiss me. So we can say that we kissed under the mistletoe. Because, you know, it's just so romantic, you know? And he better do it. If not, we're gonna have some issues.
The problem.
We're gonna have
Oops.
some
He says the
problems.
problem. Why he keep backing her
And
up?
we have to head to our
He's
photo
like,
shoot,
here.
and we have to film that guy. So we have to end this vlog right after we kiss. But we cannot end this video without kissing under the mistletoe. Y'all know for a long time, I didn't even know what a mistletoe was. I imagine like a mistletoe. I don't know. It just reminds me of a toe. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, you cut it out. That's nice.
Mistletoe, y'all. Aw, so cute. Look, y'all, here comes Clarence, babe. What do you think about my mistletoe? I drew it. I drew a mistletoe for us to kiss under because I couldn't find it at Target.
You was looking for a mistletoe?
Yeah, because I want to kiss you under the mistletoe to say that we actually did it. So we're going to kiss under the mistletoe to end off the video. Do you mind kissing me with my lipstick? Should we put it higher?
It's off camera.
Great.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Give me a good one. Ready? No, bring it in.
You bring it in. Bring it in.
Why are you leaning back though?
Tell me you love me.
I love you.
Aww.
Put the video out now. Go ahead.
Like, comment,
Like,
subscribe, share if you care.
Click
Click
the bell, me become part of the
Noto
Noto Squad.
Squad.